In this video we're going to show you how to check the function of your belts. In this function it will help you so you can see the amperage that your motors are pulling and if your belts are working. So say you've got a motor drive error and you're trying to figure out which one it is.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
If you go under service, and if we go under the test function, you will see a belt tension on. But before we do that, we're gonna hit the start button. Start our labeler, then we'll go to service, test, and we'll turn the belt tension to on. Now you can see right here your amperage is for your belts. As you can see, we have in-feed conveyor, separation conveyor, weighing conveyor, and labeling conveyor 1. Now if you put your hand on here, you can see on the labeling, on the weigh conveyor right here, I put. And then now, since there's no function on the labeler right now, the last two belts stopped, so you're not going right. You can see right here, amperage isn't fluctuating. If I take and put my hand on the separation conveyor, you can see it goes up, and now it's at like 1400. When these get up to about 3.5 to 4 amps, then you need to start looking to see if your bearings are going bad in your labeler. So you can turn that to off. You always want to run it in off mode. We can hit the home button and we'll stop the labeler. And so we're going to also go, after we turn the conveyors off, I'm just going to go back into the test, and we're going to go under belt, the test belt drive. When we go under there, you can see right now you have all your conveyors listed here. You got in-feed conveyor, separation conveyor, weigh conveyor, and labeling conveyor. Now if you're unsure, say you have a motor error and you can't figure out what motor it's coming from, if you hit the in-feed conveyor, the in-feed conveyor will run for like 3 or 4 seconds and then turn off. Then you can hit your separation conveyor, it'll run, and just go down the line, and each one will run. And if there's an error on that conveyor or a motor drive error, they will tell you which. It'll pop an error message up saying that motor drive is bad. When you're done, you can just hit the home button and you're done.